In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, launch settings and scroll to click on display section over here. Now scroll again, this time to click on display size and text. At the very bottom. And last but not least, operate this slider under font size to adjust it. When you finished, just go back. Your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!